guys, okay, so we are going to do our final Green Chef Paleo meal, the meatloaves.
I'm ready.
So the first one kind of sucked, but the second one was really good, the sausage salad. I totally liked that one.
The first one didn't suck, it just wasn't that exciting.
It was boring.
Yeah.
Okay, we got, I don't know what this is, pork probably.
Pork. We got barbecue sauce. It doesn't even say amino fluid on it. I'm really excited about that. Pecans. Contains pecans. Again, thank you for the clear and concise lettering. These I've realized are not raisins.
No, they're
tiny baby cherries, dried cherries.
Yes, this is cherry meatloaf.
And then some cumin, herb, lemon vinaigrette. All right, so let's get going. We need a large saute pan, a baking sheet, mixing bowls, measuring spoons, thermometer, oven mitts, cooking oil, salt, pepper, all this fun stuff. All right, let's get to the prep.
Okay.
Preheat oven to 425. Finely chopped cherries, stems. Ooh, trim the stems off the green beans and discard and have lengthwise. Roughly chopped pecans. Okay.
All right, I'm just trimming the ends off the green beans. Is that what I'm doing?
Yeah, and then having them lengthwise. It's doing nothing.
It's really not doing anything. What the hell? There's ancient cherries. There's rocks in there. All right, take them out. It's giving me a headache.
Cherries. It did literally nothing. All right, so that was fun. It's like finally chopping gum.
Widthwise, not lengthwise.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I feel like I'm just mushing it.
You are.
Well,
leave it.
dude.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't like that at all. Okay, after that, nightmare. Roughly chopped the pecans. Oh, these are already pretty roughly. I mean,
those look roughly chopped. I don't think we need to bother with those.
Nope. Chopped to taste. They said large bowl. I'm getting a large bowl.
Okay, large bowl it is.
Boom. Add the cherries and 1.5 tablespoons of the barbecue sauce.
Okay, I'll get the cherries. You get the barbecue sauce.
That's a 1. It's a 1/2. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Mix thoroughly to evenly distribute cherries. For best results, use your hand and gently fold the meatloaf mixture into itself. It says about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Oh, I gotta get these on top so we can properly fold it. Oh yeah, folding.
Lightly oiled foil-lined baking sheet. I can get that ready for you.
Cool. Form meatloaf mixture into 2 loaves, 3/4 of an inch thick. Okay, so I'll squish it down in here. Yeah, I'll make it a little more square.
Beautiful.
Oh, wait, get a drizzle.
Oh yeah.
Ugh. Just really the rest? Spread remaining sauce over the tops. Okay.
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 All right.
Here we go.
Beautiful. Okay, let's start on the slaw. Place cabbage and carrots in a medium bowl. Drizzle with cumin, herb, lemon vinaigrette to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Toss to combine.
Boom.
What do you think? How much of this should we use?
It says use all of it, right?
No, it says to taste.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, a sauce to taste is odd. I mean, I don't know.
That's pretty coated. You know, I could just like serve it on the side if you want more.
Yeah, I mean, slaw to me should be a pretty liquidy endeavor.
Right.
Like, it's not supposed to be, like, dry coleslaw is never what anyone asks for.
Right.
So I'd say if you want to leave the rest for the side, that's fine.
Okay, so what goes in it? The slaw and then what else?
Salt and pepper to taste, sauce to combine. And then let's get the green beans onto the pan. All right, add green beans, season with salt and pepper. Cook 45 minutes until they begin to soften, and then add pecans. 2 to 4 minutes until they're tender and pecans are toasted, occasionally stirring. They really don't want you to like cut these things up, do they?
I know, I kept thinking maybe I should cut that cabbage because it's like in big chunks. Okay.
It's tangy. I don't think it needs more vinaigrette.
Nope.
0% additional vinaigrette on that one. Okay, add pecans, 2 to 4 minutes.
Okay, meatloaf's ready?
Yep, let's pull them. These actually do look really good. And just to verify, we're at 160 and 160. Perfect.
Green beans.
So we got to slice these guys up.
Oh, right.
So here, I'll slice them.
You're gonna have to slice it.
Oh, I'm slicing mine. I want to see the inside of this bad boy. All right, let's give it a shot. Minorly optimistic.
Good?
Yeah, it's fine. The cherries are very subtle. I thought they were going to be a lot more. But they're good. The coleslaw use about half of the lemon vinaigrette. Seems to be fine. But it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Green beans are good.
Yeah, I mean, they're fairly static green beans. There's nothing exciting about the green beans.
Yeah, I mean, I do like the pecans in with the green beans.
Mm-hmm. What do you think of the meatloaf?
I haven't tried it yet.
What do you got?
I don't think I got any cherries.
What? How did you know? You see how much I was folding that thing?
hang on. I can
There's
see a
There's
cherry,
a cherry right
inside.
there.
The barbecue sauce is good. The pork's a little dry.
The barbecue sauce isn't bad. I don't know. I think meatloafs are always supposed to be dry.
There's a trick. You're supposed to put like a pan of water in the oven with the meatloaf.
Mmm.
Like so that it keeps it moist and steams it or something. I don't know.
Right.
But I forgot about that.
So yeah, I mean, it's a little bit dry, but, and I can't
not
really
bad.
taste the cherries at all.
Mm-mm.
They're very, very minor flavoring in there. Otherwise, it's fine. I think I like the sausage one a little bit better.
Oh, just as the meal, yeah.
Yeah, but I like this more than the chicken one. It definitely has more flavor, especially if you added more vinaigrette to the coleslaw.
Mm-hmm.
But overall,
just generally more interesting, I think, than
it's more interesting. It's more colorful. It's more flavorful. Overall, it's a better meal than the chicken. But I still like the sausage as far as just overall flavor.
Mm-hmm.
But this is good. Like I would.
Because you were not looking forward to this meal.
I wasn't, because I don't like meatloaf, and yeah, it's still a little dry. So I wish I knew about the whole water thing. I might have tried that. So if you're gonna try it, but other than that, I mean, it's tasty. I'm gonna go off and actually eat this one. So.
Okay, well, I think that's good. Okay, so for the paleo ones, I think the meals are not bad. They're pretty good, and I do think that the biggest plus that Green Chef has is that they do have these different dietary
Absolutely.
meal plans. I mean, you've got keto and paleo and plant-based.
Plant-based.
And plant-based, so you have different options that way, and you can change it week to week. You don't have to stick to one plan or anything like that. So, I think it's worth checking out, especially if you do have dietary restrictions, as just a general meal kit box. It's not bad. It's fine. I don't think we were super impressed with any of these particular meals.
No,
Except for the sausage one. I really like that one.
Yeah, I mean, I've definitely had better meal kits, but I think if you're on a specific, diet, and you're having a hard time finding just full meals like this, then yeah, this is a great option.
Okay, you guys, well, all of the information will be in the description box if you want to check out any of our other cooking videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!